So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a text box here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up a freeform, the freeform application. Once that is done, either select a new document or a previous document or a board that you've created. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Untitled 4 for this demonstration. As you can tell, I have a whole bunch of beautiful lines right here from a previous tutorial. But if you want to go ahead and add a text box, it's super simple. Here at the bottom, there's 5 different icons. Second from the right, so the fourth icon, I guess, from the left, in between the shapes and the photos icon, there is an A with a square. Simply just go ahead and press on that, which then adds a text box. If you want to double type it or double tap it, I'll just type in text box right here. You can go ahead and you can make it, larger. You can make it smaller. You can move it around. Whatever you have to do. You can also edit the font down here and at the bottom. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to add a text box here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.